Hello everyone, a lot of my followers on Instagram has been asking me how do you make a digital painting looks like it's painted in watercolor paper. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 different ways to apply a paper texture. The first method is to paint your own paper texture. Procreate actually carries a brush that looks a lot like a paper texture, and you can find it right here. If you want more options or that texture is not the one you're looking for, there are also a lot of brushes online you can import to Procreate. So I found a recycled paper and a pastel paper online. If you guys want me to share these brushes, make sure you click the link in my description area and leave me your email so I can send it to you. I'm just gonna do a quick dragonfly drawing to show you the final result of using this method. Here is a close-up look of the final drawing. It looks pretty realistic, like it's painted on watercolor paper, so this is a very easy way to do it. I highly recommend it. The second way is to import a high-resolution photo paper into your Procreate and paint on top of that textured paper. After you import the textured paper, make sure you adjust it to fit the canvas size. I am going to do a quick butterfly painting to demonstrate this method. It works great with light paint such as watercolor brushes, but if you are using a heavier or thicker brush such as oil painting brushes or acrylic brushes, the brush is gonna paint over the paper texture. If you are using a heavier or a thicker layer, I would recommend you to use the third method. You're going to duplicate the paper texture layer you already have, and you want to move your duplicated layer all the way to the top. After you move it to the top, you want to change it from a normal layer to a multiply layer. Now the paper texture is gonna look really strong. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna go back to the bottom paper texture and change the opacity to about 50%. With this adjustment, no matter how heavy you paint, this color is not gonna block the paper texture. I found some high-resolution paper texture online. I found them in different sources, so I can't really leave you guys one source link. If you guys want it, I can email you guys this file. Just find the link in the description area, leave me your email, and I will send them to you. Here is a quick look of my paintings. I usually double up the layers to give it a strong paper textured look, so it's really up to you on how much you want to layer up to give it a realistic look. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe my channel, give me a follow on Instagram, and also let me know what do you guys want to see next. Thank you, have a good one.